Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about particles and an error that you'll get while you're trying to download your firmware into the particle board. Okay, so the error goes like this: error writing firmware, incorrect platform ID. So I'll show you how to get that error, and I'll demonstrate how to resolve that error. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, let's get to the Particle IDE using the web browser. On the URL section, you'll type build particle.io. So it will bring you to the environment for you to write your program in. So you can start writing a program, but I do have a program here for a demonstration. So this is my program. So first of all, before you start creating your firmware or bin file, you're going to have to verify your program. So you click this guy here, and once your codes are verified and working with no errors, you have to create a firmware.bin file. So the way to do it is you click on this code in this greater than less than sign here. It'll open the same menu again, and you see a cloud with a download button. Actually, what it does is that it compiles and downloads firmware binary files. So you click on it, and after a bit of time, you'll get your firmware.bin file downloaded to your download folder. So if you click here and show folders, this is the file that we are after today. So we're going to have to download this into your particle board. For today's demonstration, I do have a particle boron board. So first of all, I'm going to power up the boron board using my USB port on my laptop here. So hook up your USB port on your computer, and your boron will come to life with the LED flashing and all that stuff. But let me show you, once you hook up your USB port, if you go to your device manager, you should see, go in here, device manager, open this guy here. You should see the boron board coming into your USB port as one of the serial port here, like that. So as for a demonstration, let me disconnect the USB port, and the boron will disappear. It's gone. So let me reconnect it back again. That's the first step of ensuring that you have a good connection between your computer and your particle board. Okay, so if it's electron, it will be electron serial. If it's something else, it will be, it could be multiple different boards. They have a few of them. So first of all, okay, now this is good. Now the next thing I'll do is close this guy here. And I know you have the firmware in here, so I'm going to open the command prompt. Okay, and go to download. And from here, in order to flash it, but before you flash anything in here, you have to put your boron board into a DFU mode. In order to do that, you're going to have to hold the reset and mode button together, and then the LED will turn white, and then you let go of the reset button, and then you wait for the LED to turn blinking yellow, and then you let go of it as soon as it blinks here, blinking yellow. So let me show you how it's done. Okay, I'm gonna hold two buttons together, let go as soon as you see the white light, then let go once you see the yellow blinking light. So once that is done, on your command prompt, navigate to downloads again, and then you go particles flash 1 2 3 no 2 USB 2 dashes USB firmware dot bin dash v. Okay, verbose, and hit enter. Oops, typo. It's not particles but particle. So if you scroll up, you'll see that the incorrect platform ID. Okay, I'll show you how to resolve this error. So this cannot be used. So you go in here and you go devices, and then I have a few particle boards here. So the one that they are compiling this for is an electron. So like I said, my board is boron. So check on boron here, put a star here, and then next thing you have to do is verify again. Okay, so the code is working great. Another thing that I want to point out was that this SciNet BTES01 matches this guy here. So there's another way to verify that this is actually going to be writing or creating a firmware for your targeted particle board. So now let's create a firmware.bin file. Go to code, and then make sure you have erased your firmware.bin. So you're going to have to download it again. Create a new firmware.bin file. Go in there. So this is your new firmware.bin file. So next thing you want to do is download this new one into your particle board. So you go back to your board here. Your board is still powered up in DFU mode. It has to be blinking yellow. So I do have the old command here, particle-USB firmware v. There you go. The flash was successful. I hope this short tutorial will help you with the issue that you were having. Anyways, have a good day. Bye.